we are doing regular case studies, role playing, simulation exercises, business games, so that the students are attracted, because management needs a lot many practical aspects, and the classroom your conduct of the various things, various kinds which have been taught in theories. So we are doing that regularly. Apart from that, classroom seminars, and most important thing is the students presentation. We have launched since 3-4 years. The students are presenting on the separate topics, and they are searching in the net and other sources, and they are presenting, and they are getting very motivated. Lot many inputs they are putting by their own efforts on that presentation, and the pedagogy of doing case studies, role playings. So these are the attractions we are doing. So the students are very basically motivated, and that is a particularly strong point in comparison to other B schools. Apart from that, we have got personal touch. So always we encourage the feedback that how you have understood. So all categories of students, the top students, the middle level students, or the little bit backward students. So we provide them all kind of things so that they can improve. Placement record is obviously good because we have a separate placement cell over here, and a placement officer, training and placement officer. So he is in charge of it, Mr. Rajkumar Das. He is also professionally, he has got professional qualification. He is an MBA in HR also, and he is making continuous endeavor to increase the record of placement for the students, and it is going on. Particularly for management students, we are making a good pool of resources, joining all the postgraduate courses like MFC or PGDM or MBA also. So students are getting satisfied with lot many jobs and good ranking jobs, so they are well settled. So it's obviously a moment of pleasure for us and for me also as the oldest faculty over here, because management gets it touch with others, and that's a very good thing with the stakeholders. And because of that, we will be having contact with lot many students and alumni, and our people who have already passed and have settled. Examine experience and then have faith. So they are being some of the stakeholders, some of the parents are being bewildered because of the wrong informations, communications are not being passed properly, and the students they are being confused regarding the communication, who is the gate about the quality, the intake, the pedagogy. So we have never done any manipulation, any dishonesty, and we are doing everything according to the rules, regulation, and the kind of personal touch you are bestowing upon them is quite, I mean, I am not boasting, it's a unique feature. So I think they should know, and they should examine, they should get a lot of information, then they should join the institutes. That should be the message, because in this way particularly the students are being bewildered, students are being confused, so by the various management your streams and their agents, so they shouldn't do that.